What if I told you the life you've always dreamed of isn't as far out of reach as it seems? The key to success lies not in the circumstances we're born into, but in the habits we cultivate. While the concept of wealth might seem shrouded in mystery or reserved for a privileged few, it's often about practices anyone can adopt and master. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll discover 5 transformative habits that can elevate your life, starting today. 1. Strategic network over casual socializing. How often do we find ourselves engaging in conversations that feel aimless or unproductive? Successful individuals don't socialize without purpose. They build meaningful networks. Networking isn't about collecting business cards or growing a social media following. It's about creating relationships that inspire, challenge, and support mutual growth. Consider this. Ever notice how successful people always seem to know someone for every situation? Whether it's finding a lawyer, securing an investor, or launching a new venture, they have connections built on trust and reciprocity. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She attributes much of her success to her carefully cultivated network of advisors, collaborators, and friends who share her vision. You can start building your network too. Attend seminars, join clubs, or participate in industry events. Don't underestimate the power of a simple follow-up message. A small gesture can keep connections alive and thriving. Remember, networking isn't just about what others can do for you. It's about the value you bring to the table. When you lead with value, opportunities naturally follow. 2. Prioritizing health as wealth. The adage, health is wealth, couldn't be truer. For the upper class, maintaining physical and mental well-being is non-negotiable. They understand that success starts with a healthy body and a clear mind. Look at Jeff Bezos, one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time. He prioritizes 8 hours of sleep every night, knowing it enhances creativity, decision-making, and overall performance. Similarly, Richard Branson credits his productivity to daily exercise, whether it's biking, kite surfing, or hitting the gym. But you don't need a personal trainer or expensive routines to improve your health. Simple habits like drinking more water, opting for nutritious snacks, and moving your body daily can have a profound impact. Mental health is just as critical. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, or even taking time to unplug from digital distractions can help reduce stress and boost focus. Treating your health as an investment rather than a luxury sets the foundation for long-term success. 3. Lifelong learning as a cornerstone. The most successful individuals never stop learning. For them, education is a continuous journey rather than a milestone. They understand that staying informed and adaptable is the key to staying relevant in an ever-changing world. Take Bill Gates, for instance. He dedicates an hour each day to reading, his 5-hour rule. He reads not to pass the time, but to gain new perspectives and ideas. Beyond books, he attends lectures, listens to podcasts, and invests in courses to expand his knowledge. Lifelong learning doesn't have to be academic. It can be as simple as picking up a new skill, listening to a TED Talk, or exploring free online courses. Even replacing 15 minutes of social media scrolling with learning can create a ripple effect of growth over time. By committing to continuous learning, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're training your brain to remain open to new opportunities and challenges. Success isn't about knowing everything. It's about the willingness to learn what you don't. 4. Developing emotional intelligence, EQ. In any room filled with successful people, one trait stands out: emotional intelligence. EQ is the ability to understand and manage your emotions while empathizing with others. Why is EQ so important? Studies show that 90% of high performers possess high emotional intelligence. It enables them to navigate conflicts, inspire teams, and build trust effortlessly. The good news is that EQ isn't an innate trait, it's a skill you can develop. Start by practicing self-awareness. Pay attention to how you feel and why. Journaling can help. Next, focus on active listening. Instead of planning your response, truly hear what others are saying. Finally, cultivate empathy. Before reacting, ask yourself, what might this person be going through? Mastering emotional intelligence enhances relationships, builds resilience, and equips you to face life's challenges with confidence and grace. 5. Practicing delayed gratification. If there's one habit that consistently distinguishes successful individuals from the rest, it's the ability to delay gratification. In today's world of instant rewards and constant temptations, this practice might feel counterintuitive, but it is a cornerstone of long-term success and fulfillment. The upper class and other successful individuals understand this deeply, viewing patience and foresight as powerful tools for creating a brighter future. The Stanford marshmallow experiment remains one of the most iconic demonstrations of this principle. In the study, as children were given a choice, eat one marshmallow immediately or wait a short while to receive 2 marshmallows. Those who exercised restraint and waited for the second marshmallow grew up to achieve higher levels of success in multiple areas, including academics, health, and relationships. The experiment underscored a simple truth. The ability to delay gratification often correlates with better decision-making and stronger self-discipline. This principle applies to nearly every aspect of life. Think about finances. Saving and investing consistently over time can lead to substantial wealth, while impulsive spending often leaves people struggling to make ends meet. In careers and business, it means putting in the hard work, learning skills, and building a reputation over years rather than seeking quick but unsustainable gains. In personal development, it's about prioritizing activities that contribute to your growth, even if they don't yield immediate results. Consider a common scenario: the temptation to buy the latest gadget or luxury item. While the initial thrill of owning something new can be exciting, it often fades quickly. Now, imagine redirecting that money toward a long-term goal, such as funding a passion project, investing in education, or saving for a dream trip. The memories and personal growth from such experiences are far more enduring and meaningful than the fleeting pleasure of a material purchase. Delayed gratification doesn't mean depriving yourself of joy. It means choosing joy that lasts. It's about recognizing that real success often involves sacrificing small, immediate comforts for significant, long-term rewards. This mindset can lead to profound changes, from building financial stability to creating a life filled with purpose and satisfaction. By practicing delayed gratification, you train your mind to focus on what truly matters. It's a skill that can help you resist distractions, make more intentional choices, and align your actions with your long-term goals. Ultimately, success is not just about achieving your dreams. It's about cultivating the patience and discipline to wait for something truly worthwhile. Success isn't reserved for a select few. It's the result of consistent habits that anyone can adopt. By embracing strategic networking, prioritizing health, committing to lifelong learning, mastering emotional intelligence, and practicing delayed gratification, you can create a life of purpose and fulfillment. Which of these habits resonates with you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and subscribe to Brainy Moment for more transformative tips. Remember, success starts with one habit, one step, and one moment. Until next time, take care and keep growing.